ancestors' greatest song. Our bodies, the drums they lived for, danced our way into freedom. I woke up this morning and said my name out loud. And this too is a protest. Sandra Bland, Rakia Boyd, Corinne Gaines, Breonna Taylor, Micaiah Bryant, Sonia Massey, we poured out flowers for you. We become flowers for you until you can see yourself a new bloom and a new sky. This world was not heaven enough for you. And we say her name because it matters. We say her name until it dreams us awake. An ancestor wrestles in the bones of our skin until we can only shout back, freedom. You are the answer to the dark spaces, the healing balm to cover the wounds. You face your pain in the face and overcome. You turn your scars into constellations. You are body of solar system, where only the light shines, where only the light shines, where only the light shines.